I want to start by saying that speaking is one of the most important skills you can acquire while learning a new language. It's the foundation of effective communication, and it can help you in every aspect of your life. So if you're struggling with speaking, don't give up. Keep practicing, keep trying, and keep improving. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, and it can help you identify areas that need improvement. Remember that practicing your speaking skills doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Find a language exchange partner, join a conversation group or club, or even practice with friends. Speaking with others not only helps you practice the language, but it also exposes you to different accents, dialects, and vocabulary. To improve your speaking, it's also essential to listen actively. Pay attention to how native speakers pronounce words and how they use intonation and stress to convey meaning. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or even eavesdrop on conversations. The more you listen, the better you will become at speaking. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek out a language teacher, tutor, or mentor who can guide you through the learning process. They can provide valuable feedback, correct your mistakes, and give you tips on how to improve. Improving your speaking skills takes time and practice, but it's worth it. Don't let fear or insecurity hold you back. Keep pushing yourself, keep practicing, and keep improving. Remember, every small step you take towards improvement will lead you to your ultimate goal of fluency. Good luck.